You're watching KMBT in Twin Falls. This is KMBT's News at 10, Southern Idaho's news source.
Good evening and thanks for tuning in to the News at 10. I'm Rachel Giffoni. Joe Martin is on vacation until next year. Topping our news on this 22nd day of December. The Federal Communications Commission approved new rules in the effort to prohibit broadband companies from interfering with their customers' web traffic. What's known as net neutrality is not everyone is in favor of these new rules. Brittany Cooper explains.
In a narrow 3-2 vote, the Federal Communications Commission approved network neutrality rules to ban cable and phone companies from favoring or discriminating against Internet content. The FCC's 3 Democrats voted in favor, while the 2 Republicans voted against.
Well, the FCC's new regulations aren't really popular with anyone on either side of the issue. Now, sometimes that's a good thing because it means they've managed to walk the line and come up with a good compromise.
Wood believes there'll be more litigation than regulation at first.
The FCC chairman says that they have the legal authority to enforce these regulations. He's willing to take it all the way to the courts.
So how does all this affect the consumer? First, with the good news. Wood says Internet service providers won't be able to block any content.
So they can't slow down or refuse to deliver Netflix just because they offer their own video-on-demand package.
But Wood states it could make way for Internet pricing.
Your provider could say, we're going to offer you a package that will cost $40 a month, but it only includes 200 gigabytes of data.
Owen Robbins, president of KRS Systems, says this type of regulation will begin to destroy the Internet, a system he considers to be unbroken.
The Internet is the best contemporary example of how the marketplace, when left alone, succeeds, thrives, and grows and works. When you regulate it, you're going to be removing the water from the garden, which is freedom.
There are exceptions for wireless providers. The FCC will not prohibit them from unreasonable discrimination. Instead, we'll watch the industry.
Wireless providers are less affected because they don't have as much bandwidth to play with as the wired companies do, and lobbyists.
Brittany Cooper, KMBT News.